Hello everyone. Today I'm very excited to present our KDD 2025 research paper on how we use Oracle imitation learning to make smarter real-time bidding decisions in digital advertising. Our first author, Alberto, contributed this work during his internship with us. Briti and Takamatsu are our team members at Sony, and I'm Zhao Wang, the presenter today and also the corresponding author. So every time when you search online, for example, in this figure, if you input Sony camera in Google, what you are doing here is not just a browsing. Behind the scenes, an auction is happening here. Advertisers compete to place their ad in front of you, just as the red block shows us here. And this is called real-time bidding. And it happens millions of the time per day across the web and social platforms. Each moment a user appears is a card impression opportunity. But here's the catch. How should advertisers decide what to bid instantly with limited data and under budget constraints? So imagine you had the system that could tell you the outcome of every possible bid, how many clicks, how many it would cost, and what conversions you'd get. And we call this system the oracle. It doesn't predict the future, but it can be learned from the past data where all the outcomes are already known. And by using this oracle offline, we can simulate bidding across the different slots and learn the most efficient strategy without taking the real-time risks. And now, we have already built our oracle. We can use it to train the real bidding agent. The oracle looks at both past and future data to compute the optimal bids for each situation. The agent, on the other hand, only has access to the current data, the kind it would have in real time. And we train this agent by comparing its predicted bids to the oracle's optimal ones. And this difference is called the imitation loss. By minimizing the loss, and the agent learns to mimic the oracle strategy even without seeing the future. So what I have introduced to you guys is a core idea of our paper. And now we would love to hear your thought and let's start the discussion.